Hi guys, this is Bella from Bella Inc. Thanks again for watching. This is actually my first, well, somewhat pre-vlog. And today is Thanksgiving Day. And actually, I just got home from a very long Thanksgiving dinner with my family. So I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to you guys, and I really hope that your Thanksgiving was just as great as mine. Although there are some people out there that aren't as fortunate to be able to spend Thanksgiving with their families. So I did want to take this time to make it a Thanksgiving vlog, just to basically say that I did realize today the value and the importance of what it is to have a Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving isn't just all about eating macaroni and cheese and collard greens and yams and turkey and all of this good stuff, but Thanksgiving is just mostly about spending time with your family, even your family that's not in the same state as you, maybe in another country, or even if they're 5 minutes down the street. Thanksgiving is just really taking the time out to be around your loved ones and to also be able to really sit back and think about what you are truly thankful for. And I realize that I am truly thankful for my family, and I'm thankful that I am able to spend time with my family on this special day. Um, I will be posting a blog tomorrow, and it actually will be my first blog. And I am going to just pick a good topic that I think you guys will like. And as you kick back and enjoy the rest of your night, whether you will be out with your family or whether you decided to come home early after the Thanksgiving dinner, just sit back and think about the things that you're thankful for, and just take a moment of silence for those who are not able to be able to spend Thanksgiving with their families like you are. So it's just really something to think about. It's always Thanksgiving and Christmas, which are the hardest times. And oftentimes these are the holidays that we do take for granted. So again, that's just something that I really want you to think about. Please feel free to post your questions and comments. I am definitely always interested to hear what you guys have to say. Again, if you want to reach me, I am on facebook.com forward slash Labella 0330, and I am also on Twitter at Bella0330. As always, it's a pleasure, and I always love voicing my opinion, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. And I lastly want to leave you with this last statement: and these three things shall remain: faith, hope, and love, and the greatest is love. So happy Thanksgiving to you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow to speak on my first topic. So take care. All right, bye bye.